Right now, the sentiment in agriculture is sitting at -0.75, which is notably lower than our historical baseline. This suggests widespread negativity among stakeholders, possibly linked to recent weather disruptions or supply chain issues. What's striking is the momentum, which is flat at +0.00, indicating no recovery in sight for the sentiment decline. Our API returns a comprehensive analysis of this sentiment, including 20 semantic clusters that provide insights into specific concerns driving this negative sentiment. For example, you could leverage this data to adjust your crop management strategies or inform your investment decisions. Understanding these sentiment shifts can be critical in a sector where conditions can change rapidly. Dive deeper into this insight and more at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.